Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to add calcium to your diet. We'll explore various food sources and practical tips to ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. Calcium is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and it plays a role in many bodily functions. Let's dive into simple ways to increase your daily intake and support your overall health, making it easy to meet your nutritional goals. Dairy products are perhaps the most well-known sources of calcium. A single cup of milk offers around 300 milligrams, making it a convenient choice. Yogurt and cheese are also fantastic options, with many varieties providing significant amounts. Incorporating these into your meals, like a morning smoothie or a snack, can easily boost your daily calcium intake. If dairy isn't for you, don't worry. Many non-dairy foods are packed with calcium. Leafy greens like kale and collard greens are excellent plant-based sources. Fortified plant milks, including almond, soy, and oat milk, often contain comparable calcium levels to cow's milk. Additionally, canned fish with edible bones, such as sardines, provides a substantial calcium boost. To truly maximize your calcium intake, consider how your body absorbs it. Vitamin D is a key player, helping your body utilize calcium efficiently. You can get vitamin D from sunlight exposure or fortified foods. Also, try to spread your calcium-rich foods throughout the day rather than consuming a large amount at once. This approach helps your body absorb more of the mineral.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.